change your profile picture in the Rednote app, go ahead and open the app. Then at the bottom, you're going to see 4 icons: the home icon, video icon, messages icon, and the me icon. Tap on the me icon, and then you look at the top, you're going to see the option profile, which is just beside the settings icon, the icon which looks like a gearcock. So tap on the profile option, and then you're going to see the camera icon at the top. So you're going to go ahead and tap on the camera icon to bring in the photo of your choice. So it has brought me to my gallery. I'm going to scroll to locate a picture I would want to use for my profile. Okay, so let's say I want to use this picture as my profile picture. I will head on to tap on it and bring it in. So you're going to tap on any part of the picture to move it up and down until you get the exact parts you are interested in, because not all the portion of the picture will be displayed. So you choose the part you're interested in. I think I like this and it's okay for me. Now after you're done setting it up to the exact frame you are interested in, you head on to tap on the red icon at the bottom, which is the save icon, and allow it to load up, and our profile picture is now set. Let's go back and see how it's going to appear. Okay, so we have our profile picture ready and beautiful. If you got value in this video, consider liking this video, sharing this video, and subscribing to my channel. That's your own way of supporting me. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.